In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw the Opticians or the glasses store on Main Street. This drawing is based on a square, and if you're drawing the whole street, you might want to make yourself a nice little cutout like this, so that you can get them all exactly the same size, and then if you put the middle bits like that, it helps you to find the middle of the drawings. And you want to do that because the door is roughly about the height of the halfway mark. So I'm going to start off drawing the top line across like that. Then I'm going to come down a little bit and draw another one that goes across like that. And then I'm going to come all the way down. And all the way down again. So this is like the side walls of the store. And it's like when they build it, they don't put the front in, so they just put the side like that. And it's like they just build a hole in the side of the street, and then you kind of fit the shop front in there, the storefront, to make it look different, because every storefront wants to look different. So that, you know, this is the grocers, this is the bakers, and this is the candlestick makers. And let's put little lines across there. And then we're going to put 1, 2, 3, and then make those. Okay, 1. Is that the same height? Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, and then a short one, and then a tiny one. And then here we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is a bit of pattern to make it look a bit interesting. Now here we're going to go just slightly above the middle line, straight across, and another one going straight across like that. And then we're going to want to come in about there and come straight down. And same on this side too, straight down like that. So what you have here is, this is the entrance to the store, but this is going to be the entrance to the apartment upstairs. Because very often stores have people living up above them. I always thought that would be really exciting to live upstairs from a store. I know my daughter did that for a little while, and I thought that was really exciting. And you could look outside and just watch the world go by, everybody coming out shopping and getting on buses and coaches and things like that. And she didn't like it, so she moved. So this is going to be the people next door. They're going to have a lock there, and maybe another lock. They're very safety conscious, and they're going to want to have a letterbox, and I think they're going to have a sill on the bottom of the door like that. Now for the store, this is the door that's going to let us in here. We're going to have a sort of a big sheet of glass like that. It's going to come down to about the same. Let's have 2 little bits across there, coming to about the same level there. And we're going to have a letterbox there as well. And here we're going to want to have a handle so that you can get in, open the door, and there's going to be a lock on the door as well, isn't there, like that? And I think we're going to have a little sign in the door which is going to tell you Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, all the days that it's open and the hours that it's open. And we'll probably have a little advertisement here for some kind of glasses, like that. And then this is going to be the window. So we're going to draw the window frame. It's going to come across there like that. And then up here we're going to have the name of the store, and we're just going to call it Glasses. You can call it anything you like. You can call it your name, you can call it Goggles, or whatever you like to call it. And then we're going to have a kind of a Glasses logo thing up here. So I'm drawing this very gently in pencil. Don't press too hard, or else you'll never be able to erase it later. And then I think it's really good to kind of plan out to see if it's going to fit. See, it needs to come this way a little bit, doesn't it? So if I do that and I bring the E back there and more of an S, slightly wider A, let's see what happens. I'm going to draw very simple letters around and up, down and across. That's the A, and then S's are always a bit difficult. S's always go slightly above and below the line because otherwise they look too small, but that now looks too big, doesn't it? You can't win. And we put the E in there. Maybe make the E a little bit longer because it's going to look like we haven't quite got to the end. There we are. Glasses. So that works quite well. And I think we're going to go and draw a circle and another circle. You could always find something to draw around to get those circle lines absolutely right. You can use a ruler for everything, of course, if you want. And if you're finding it a bit hard to keep up, you can stop and start anytime you like, as many times as you like. You're not going to break the internet. So just, stop and start and just catch up with the drawing if you get a bit stuck behind. So here we're going to draw across and round and down and up across like that. And we need to make this look like it's a store. So let's put lots of things like this in there with these bits. It's like they're all, this is what you see in an opticians. Do you call it an opticians? They call it different things around the world, I think. Some people call it an optical store. Some people might call it the optometrist, but I think that's really like the doctor, isn't it? Who is the, oh, let's do some fancy ones. What about some aviator glasses? And we'll do some with great big butterfly kind of little cat's ears on the end, something like that. And then there's usually sort of pictures as well, aren't there? Sort of handsome, beautiful people wearing glasses. So we can have let's have a man wearing glasses. He'll have a big cheesy smile like that, and then I think ladies who they generally have fringes, don't they, in these kind of adverts like that. I don't know why. Fringes, bangs, and have different names for things around the world. Then, when you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, you can erase all those pencil lines. Then no one will know how you planned it out so well and got it to look so accurate. Then shall we try and make these glasses look a bit like they're got glass in them, like that? Good. Spectacles, glasses. And then this door needs to have that in there to make that look like that's glass. Exact same here. I say glass. Some people say glass. Glass. There's lots of different ways of pronouncing it. I say glass, okay. So there we go. Then all you need to do is to colour it in and subscribe to Draw Stuff Real Easy so you can draw all the rest of the stores in Main Street, Inkwell. Thanks for watching. Bye.